What's going on, everyone? Just got this in the mail today. Let's break it open and I'll explain what I got and why I got it. Alright, so this is the We the People audio 22-inch, and I got the 22-inch just because of my height. I'm 6'2", I weigh about 220, so a 20-inch bike wouldn't necessarily fit me well. Plus, I wanted to take it off on some dirt jumps and just having a little bit bigger of a wheel, just be more supportive, more stable, and stuff like that. In my previous video, I did talk about getting a 26-inch, but I realized that it just wouldn't be that great of a fit for city riding and skate park riding as well. Like, since there's gonna be more skate park and street than dirt jumping, so that's why I went with the BMX style bike and the 22-inch tires. So let me put you guys down. I'll take it out of the box and we can kind of go over it. That's cute. They sent a chain guard. So this is the 2020 model. It comes in the translucent blue. You can see the welds through it. Looks pretty sick. So along with the bike, I bought this Odyssey travel tool. Just to have all the things I need to build it up. Now let's get into some of the boxes, extra stuff they sent. Awesome. So I got the seat post, seat, and pedals. All the parts are going to be listed below in the description. I just don't know all of them offhand. I just know it's a mixture of Salt, We the People, and ÉCLAT. So yeah, let's get this unwrapped and get into it. Alright, so everything is unwrapped and kind of wiped it down a little bit. So now let's get into building it up. Always make sure to grease your seat post. The last thing to put on is the pedals. So yeah, this is my new bike. It's a new addition to the channel, and I'll be putting some more videos out about it and learning tricks and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.